Responsibility. Friends, this is an amazing word which can change anyone's life. All great businessmen and all great people have equal time to become unequal because they exactly know either we distinct or we extinct. That's why they always take their own responsibility, and this mentality change their reality. If you don't take responsibility of your own actions for your life, for your dreams, then no one can save you. If you always play like a victim, then the bad thing always happen to you. When people say, I'm not be there where I want to be because of this person, because of this tragedy, because of my circumstances, this is just an irresponsible behavior, nothing else. If circumstances pulling you back, then responsibility help you to take out a massive step. Rather than complaining about the problem, try to figure out how can we fix it. I guarantee you, any successful person never play a victim card in their whole life. So now I'm going to tell you some baby steps which help you to make yourself more responsible. Now the step number 1, take the responsibility of your thoughts, of your action, of your words. Step number 2, stop blaming to someone else for your present situation. Step number 3, refuse to take anything personal. Step number 4, live your present life. Step number 5, be calm and confident. If you are going to take these small steps, then definitely you will find a revolutionary change in your life. That's all from my side. Thank you.